My name is Tony Taylor. I work with Geosyntec Consultants, and I'm an ecologist with a background in ornithology.
My name's Copeland Nguyen. I work for Geosyntec out of the Baton Rouge office. My specialty is biology, focusing in wetland delineations and threatened and endangered species.
I'm Alex Mathis. I'm with Geosyntec. I'm the field lead for this project.
So out here we have been doing wetland verifications for the LRS around the lake.
We're collecting field data for the boundary between the littoral shelf, which is your deep water, and the vegetated shoreline, which is your wetland area.
So what we're looking for specifically here, so wetland delineations in the field typically consist of 3 variables, and that's hydrology, vegetation, and hydric soils.
So we've been out here for over a week now. Water quality is definitely degraded. There's high turbidity in the water. That's caused primarily from the invasive grass carp fishes that have eaten out all of the aquatic vegetation, leaving the bottom silty that every time the wind pipes up, the wind gets blowing through here, creates choppy seas that further agitates and brings up the silt into the water column, causing the high turbidity, and as such, the water quality is very low.
We're looking at a lot of the vegetation. So around here, it's going to be a lot of invasive, unfortunately.
This was an area that was treated some time ago, and so this area probably used to be dominated by Phragmites. However, when they treated it, Phragmites died out, the bulrushes come back in. The kind of vegetation that would typically be here that the Phragmites has displaced because they've have invaded the shoreline. Typically you'd see a higher diversity of sedges and rushes. Right now the cattails are kind of your first pioneer species that are reestablishing, but this is a step in the right direction.
I think the restoration work on the lake would bring back a lot of recreational activities, fishing, boating, just the scenic view in general. The clarity of the water would make it look much better. I think everybody would enjoy a nice restored Utah lake.